What's going on, guys? Faiz here, back with another interesting video. And this video is gonna be a short overview of my next project that I am working on. So basically, it is a 2D rampage game, which I'm building through vanilla JavaScript. I am not using any kind of library like Phaser.io. Uh, as you can see in front of me is a canvas with two of the characters. One is player. If I move it here, yeah. So the green one is the player and red one is the enemy. We have health bar here on the top and a timer. If I hit refresh, you can see there is a timer of 60 seconds, approximately 1 minute. So our player can jump, it can move left, right, and it can hit as well. If I hit spacebar, so you can see that the health of the enemy is decreasing. And if I move my enemy, so using the arrow keys I can move it. It can also jump, and if I hit to the player, you can see the health bar of player is also decreasing. So this is just a basic and quick overview. I will upload the next complete video of my completed project in future once it get done. I was actually busy in my examinations and just got free, so I will start working on it from today, and I will upload the video very soon, or in the coming week. So subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video. See you in the next video.